So this is Monday. Today how much, Jeremiah?
What?
Today's the how much?
10.
The 10?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Jeremiah said the 10, so I can believe him. So today's the 10th of January. You sure? That's how long January start? Anyway, Jeremiah said the 10th, and I believe him. I go to school every day. So we're on our way to the lab right now because Jeremiah, there's a case of COVID in this class. So you have to go and get tested before going back to school. So I went this morning to drop them out. And had to return home with Gemma because of COVID in his class. So without he have a negative test, he can't return to school. So I'm gonna stay home today and take my boy to get tested right now. So Maya alone is at school today. Maya gone to school. Alex is gonna get ready to go to school now. So y'all will know tomorrow's COVID result at the end of this video. Anyway, the breeze are blowing and it's cold, so I'm going to put up this phone and put my hands in my pocket. So I'll see you all throughout this video.
Wow.
Come tell the people what happened.
Me is
Stop and tell the people what happened. Where you going?
Laboratory.
You're going to the lab?
Yes.
To do what?
Test COVID.
Why?
Because me is not contact.
You're a contact case of COVID, yes. And what else? So you're going to the lab to get tested to go back to school, is that?
Yes.
Alright, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Jeremiah, are you afraid?
No.
No, you're not afraid? Oh, we're here now waiting for the lab technician to come and take Jeremiah tested. And then we'll give you the result later. Ça fait mal?
Un petit peu. Oh, c'est
Ça
pas
va.
agréable. C'est sûr que il y a mieux, il y a mieux, il y a mieux.
How you nose feel?
Good.
Does that hurt you?
No.
You feel like something in your nose or what?
No.
Because when I take the test, I feel like something in my nose when they come out. So we just came back from the lab. And we're on our way home now. As you can see, my little champion just took the COVID test. It's the second time Jeremiah get tested for COVID. I think it was the first couple of months when COVID just came about. He had to get tested. Not only him, but me and Naya. We had posted a video of it. So, my little champ just going to get tested one more time. Come down, come. So, we're going home now to do some school work. Okay. So we just got back Jeremiah's COVID test from yesterday and it's negative. Negative. Thank can't go to school today.
Negative.
Yeah, big and negative. Bam. So my boy will be going to school today.